My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the website gudupp.com. gudupp.com is the malicious notification that may periodically attack your Google Chrome browser. The real purpose of these notifications is to scare you into thinking that your computer requires some crucial update, or that your browser requires some crucial update to help you continue watching in safe mode. In reality, these pop-ups by gudupp.com actually promote installation of some potentially unwanted programs. Therefore, be careful not to interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware already enabled in the system. So first thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel, and if you find any suspicious items here on the list, don't hesitate to right click on them and get rid of them by uninstalling them. Also consider checking the list of your available browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions that are not familiar to you, get rid of them. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend that you research it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.